Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Amy from With Love by Amy. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to do a quick haul video from all the goodies I got in March. And I know I said I'm trying not to buy a ton of stuff, but I had a gift card for Michael's and I bought some Distress Oxide inks. And then this was actually a promotion that the company sent me. They reached out to me and they sent me this pad of paper and I really like it. I already have done a card for it. So this technically isn't like the promotion video that they gave me the paper for. However, I did really like the paper. It's really pretty. And I can't wait to make some more cards with it. So I will link it below. It's not technically a paid link at this point, but I really like it and the people were really nice. So I will link it below. The paper's pretty. It's off Amazon. I will share the link if anyone is interested. So that's that. All right, and next I received 2 shipments from Ink Road Stamps. I had a gift card from last year, and I finally received my order. I was so excited. It was a pre-order, so those take forever, but they're totally well worth waiting for. So I got this one. I think it's called Kansas. I don't know. The names of them escape me. This one is Here Kitty Kitty 2, I think. And I can't wait to use that kitty stamp. This one is Subway Art 80s movies. I don't know. But yeah. And then I have used these Avengers stamps already, or whatever superhero stamps they are. I've used those on a card for my son's friend. And then these are always fun, the stickers and the little cute stuff that makes me smile every time I see it in my office. And this is a new one. I've never seen this in one of my shipments before, but it's cute. All right, so these are all the Distress Oxides that I currently have. I like to do that every time I get new Distress Oxides because it keeps me on track so I don't accidentally get duplicates. And then this is a shipment from Simon Says Stamp that I got. I had a couple things I needed, so I decided to order some stuff. I did have a coupon and a gift card for this, so that's cool. All right, so I got the Gina K Designs Amalgam Black ink, and then I got the Hero Arts Unicorn, I think white ink, and I also got the cottontail, what is it? Cottontail embossing tool. I have used it in a couple of videos now. It's pretty cool. I like it. And then I got a sampler pack of these cardstocks because I was completely out of sheets of pink paper or pink cardstock. So I will say I use this letter opener and I open the cardstock packs on the side because if I do it like that, then I can keep it in the sleeve it's in, and then I'll know where it's from still because it has the sticker on there from Simon Says Stamp. Because I do want to, be able to keep it together so I can remember what I got. And here is the very last goodies that I got. I ordered them in the very end of March, and I got them very quickly. So I ordered from Lawn Fawn. I did have a discount code that I used. I try really hard to always use a discount code because I don't have much of a crafty budget, so I want to stretch it as much as I possibly can. And they threw in some cool freebies with a little tiny stamp. And I did order the Henry's I think they're Henry's mini ABCs. And then I got that unicorn and the die set for it. And then the big Henry's ABCs die cuts. All right, so I actually am going to use this one right away. And I'm going to show you what I end up making with it with the little ABC stamps. And I am making a gift certificate for a local, I guess it's not really a true gift certificate, but I'm going to take my mother-in-law to do something for a local business that doesn't offer gift cards. So I just kind of am making her like a gift certificate type of thing to put in her birthday card so she knows what we're doing for her birthday. So I used the for and the on and stuff stamps. Those were old stamps from an invitation from Stampin' Up! Or something, I think. And the to and from is also from the same stamp set. I kind of did some partial stamping there, and that will be included in a different video. But I I just thought it was fun. And then I used a corner rounder that did like the ticket corners on the corners of the piece of cardstock. And I'm using a ruler, the magnet ruler that goes with the Make Art Station, to make the lines all the same. And let me know what you think. Did any of those things that I received in March pique your interest? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you come back soon and check out some of these other videos that I have to watch. And see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.